Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new tutorial. In today's video guys, I will show you how to open your microphone in Valorant. Basically guys, when you first open Valorant, it will be looking something around that. So, when you go to the game and you can see here I have this X and that means I can't really talk. And even if I talk, nobody will hear me. So how I can remove it and how we can start talking? Basically, first of all, we will need to invite a friend. So to make sure that our mic is working, we will not invite a friend to make a test. So after we invite a friend, you need to go here and click on this icon and he will find party voice and team voice. Basically, let's first talk about party voice. If you want a party voice chat to be on so they can hear you can make it on from here. If you want it to be like automatic, so basically automatic and push to talk. Basically automatic, like I'm talking right now without touching anything, I can talk like freely and everyone can hear me. But push to talk basically is they only can hear you when you press a button. For example, for me, I have minus on my keyboard. Here, party voice during custom game. So if you're like for example playing custom game, they can still hear you, and that's it with the party voice. Here we find the team voice. If you want your team to hear you, click on. If you don't want them, you click and make it off. And this is the push to talk key for team voice. And basically, team voice is always push to talk. You can't make it automatic. Now let's go here in settings. Here you will see that you have controls, crosshair, video and audio. So we need to go to audio and then go to voice chat. Make sure that your output device is correct and your input device is correct as well. Here, make sure that the incoming volume is good and mic volume is good. Loop back test off, mic sensitivity, you can make it when you want. Party voice chat, as you can see, here's the settings that I showed you before. And here you can change the keybinds, voiceover if you want the gameplay, agent flavor, tactical, etc. You will find them in here. So yeah guys, that's how you can use our open microphone in Valorant. Thank you a lot for watching. If you have any question, please leave them in down below. See you in the next tutorial and thank you again for watching this video. Bye bye.